Catalyst for Change is here, and I couldn't be more excited. But what's inside it? What is Catalyst? Well, here's what's included. Number one, this is a 4-week accelerator, a 4-week container of coaching and live interaction. So every Monday from 7 to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we meet together online from anywhere in the world so that you can receive direct transmissions and I can activate you and getting clear on your intentions for 2023. But that's not all. Oh no, Catalyst for Change is also an online course that I gift you. Each of the 4 weeks is organized into 4 modules, and they are based in the self, because this is about you. Self-trust, self-motivation, self-focus, and self-confidence. And under each of the weeks, you have an audio meditation, a pre-recorded yoga class, journaling prompts, affirmation practice outlined for you, and even memes for your phone to serve as daily reminders. Everything is already there with lifetime access. So I would love for you to really take a look and see if this is a great fit, that this is exactly what you've been looking for, the form and the structure you need to stay true to your intentions and get yourself organized before 2023. Much love to you.